In this video, I will show you how to check your Photoshop GPU compatibility and how you can fix problem of nagging of Photoshop in your PC. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do, if you have successfully downloaded and installed Photoshop in your PC and you are experiencing Photoshop nagging, this might be as a result of your GPU performance as far as that nagging is concerned, or sometimes it might be there might be a lot of file that is slowing down your Photoshop. So how can you fix it? First and first, you need to know the compatibility of your PC in regard to Photoshop before you can make any conclusion. So for that, come to the top right here, click on Help. Under the Help, go ahead and click on GPU compatibility, and then you are going to see a report right here. Now, graphics processor compatibility, and your graphics processor is incompatible. This is a report from Photoshop here. So if you have something like this, it simply means that you need to work on the system compatibility. It is not Photoshop problem. You need to make sure you get a PC that can run the particular Photoshop software you install on that PC. So driver update recommended. You can update the driver in Adobe Cloud, and then driver is outdated about 77 months ago. So you need to fix that, because a driver that will work with Photoshop needs to be at least 6 months according to Adobe report right here. Then DirectX feature level 11.1 available. Feature level 0.2 is 12.0 is required, just like that. Then OpenGL available, DirectX available, above requirement, VRAM, and the VRAM of 8,000 plus of megabytes, and 1,500 is required. So which means that this particular PC here has enough VRAM, it has DirectX, it has OpenGL, and the GPU dedicated ITEL graphics is 5,500, which is quite okay. Then for you to learn, you can click on update drivers right here. So when you click on update driver, it's to redirect you to internet. Then you have to make sure you connect to the web, read the detail about how you can update the driver with Photoshop. So let's quickly go back to Adobe right here, and the next thing you want to do is to make sure you fix your driver called recommended, and at the same time make sure you are using a PC that can run the particular Photoshop software you install on your PC. And with that, the nagging issue and Photoshop performance is going to be improved. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks about how best to use Photoshop, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.